Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to pay with PayPal on HagoBuy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on HagoBuy, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the HagoBuy website, as you can see, I can just, buy something or choose some product that I want to buy. And as you can see, I already have one and I can just click submit order if I want to buy it. And right here, after clicking it, I will be redirected to the checkout page or the checkout counter. And right here, there's a bunch of payment methods that I want to choose, and I can choose PayPal itself. So I can choose the normal PayPal method or the PayPal card pay method. If I have some PayPal Visa card, I can use it, or if I can just directly connect my PayPal as I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I'm just clicking the processing payment, and I just need to log in with my PayPal account, and that's it. So the payment will automatically be processed after you connect your PayPal account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add or buy something from Hago by using PayPal. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.